Hello, hello, my wonderful students. This is the last part of foldable number 5, which is our last part of this section. I know you guys are sad because this is, it's so good and you want it to go on longer. So we have our equation again, and this is still graph the line. I don't know if I showed you all these, actually, I don't remember. But these are all graph the line given standard form, graph the line given standard form, and this is graph the line given slope-intercept form. This is the last one we're doing now. So this is already in slope-intercept form. So we already have our slope, which is our m, and then we have our y-intercept, which is our b. The reason why we're doing this one last, and it's a little bit, even though we don't have to actually convert it, because now we have the pesky, infamous, dready fractions. No one likes fractions except for me. All right, so go ahead and write what we have. So we have the slope is m is equal to -3/2, and we have the y-intercept is, we have our b is equal to 1/2 or 0, 1/2. So if you notice on this one, I put my graph a little different. I made it in terms of 1, 2, skipping in between, so it's easier to graph the 1/2s. Okay, so we have our 0, 1/2, which is our y-intercept. So 0, 1/2, 0, 1/2, which is our y-intercept. And then we have our slope of -3, 2. So the rise is -3. So we're going to go down 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to go over 1, 2 and put our point. Now we're going to go ahead and draw our wonderful, wonderful, wonderful line. That goes through our 2 points. So one thing I wanted to add before we finish, but I don't know if you noticed this, but I didn't actually go one full, I went one part, because the -3/2 slope is actually a ratio, because it is a fraction. So a ratio, so I didn't have to go a full 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, because it would have ended up in the same spot on the same line, but I divided into parts, so 1, 2, 3 parts over 1, 2 parts, which is our ratio fraction. Just wanted to make sure, just in case you caught that and you're like, huh, how did he do that? So as long as the ratio stays the same of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, down 3 over 2, it's the same when you graph your lines.